Okay, now we finished our first job that we already set up our function label. Okay, now in this lectures, I will help you to finish the other job that we have to make a real function for this our function label. Okay, so to do that, first of all, we have to make a variable, a result variable to store our function result. Okay, so first of all, our result is equal to 0. Now in here, when we have a number, we have to make a result equal to, we have another variable to store our size, and is equal to choose this bool variable, and is our size is 2 in here. Our size is 2 in here, means that we has a root size. So our result equal to our result plus 2. Now if we have a number in here and we have a plus sign, so we have to plus our content array. Okay, content array index I, but you remember that our content array is a string array. So although in here we have a number, but this number is in the string style, so we have to convert this to the int value to plus. Okay, so to convert this, because it is a string, so first of all we have to convert this to ns string, and after we convert this to ns string, in here we can call the int value from ns string. Okay, we have a little arrow in here, int is not convertible to int 32. So because when we make a result in here, we have to mark it style to int 32. Okay, so we have in here, and if our size is not 2, is false, means that this is not true, means that we have a minus sign in here. Okay, so our result is equal to result minus is similar. We have content array as index I, as we convert it to ns string and call the int value. Okay, so in here we have to make, in this case we have a sign, we have a plus or minus sign. So when we have a plus or minus sign, we have to set the sign values in here. If content array at index I is equal to I. So if in this case we have a minus sign, so we have to set the sign equal to 4. Okay, on else, in this case we have a in this case we have a plus sign in content array in here, so we have to set it to true. Okay, so at the end of this for loop, we will have our result. we can print, instead of we using the question mark in here, we using the result. We call the result in here. So let's run to check our result appear on our function label. Okay. Now see, let's start. Okay, we have 3 plus 2 equal to 5. We have content array in here. We can check another function. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Another function. 3 plus 3 6. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, now. And next check the third function. Okay, we have 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 1 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so our function is working perfectly now. But you see now, in here we have the result is sometimes is smaller than 1, sometimes it's bigger than 3. Okay, we only want the result is only 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have to check the result in here. You have a result in here. We have to check if our result is smaller than 1, or here this is, or our result is bigger than 3. So what do we have to do here? We have a quiz function label again. Now we quiz function label with, in here we will come back to here and quiz function label with number of content. Now number of content is already is equal to content array dot count. It's a number of content inside the content array. Okay, now see. This time we only have all the function only have the result inside of 1 or 2 or 3. Here, oh, not good. Not. We set the function label every time, so we have to if else. If we have a result in here, we repeat again, and we have a function again, and else in here, we set it to here. If our result is okay, at this time we will set our function label. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3, 1, 1 is 3. 2, 2. As you can see, at this time we only have our result is around 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, it's perfect now. So we will stop this lecture in here, and next lecture I will help you to finish to check our score and finish our game with our timer in here. Okay, see you in the lecture.